Casa Meztitla is set amidst a spectacular natural landscape, with the backdrop of El Tepozteco mountain, offering a tropical and serene atmosphere. The house is built from rough stone, aligning with the natural stone-covered slopes. Although the home feels introverted, hidden away from the outside world, it remains open to its surroundings, creating a harmonious connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. One of the first features you'll notice is the two elements that stand out from the exterior. First, the bright bougainvillea flowers, peeking through the dense trees, marking the perimeter of the property. Second, the massive white monolithic box rising above the treetops, offering a striking contrast yet blending beautifully with the surrounding nature. The site was carefully chosen by the architect, taking into account the extraordinary natural landscape and its proximity to the El Tepozteco National Park. Although a more remote site was initially considered, the client preferred this location due to its better accessibility. In terms of materiality, Casa Meztitla uses simple, locally sourced materials like concrete for the foundation and main structural elements, volcanic rock for the walls, and a mix of white cement and lime for the white plastered walls. These materials were selected not only for their cost-effectiveness and ease of maintenance, but also to allow the house to age naturally and blend into its environment over time. This creates an organic and timeless aesthetic. One of the house's most striking design features is the pivoting glass doors. The idea behind these doors was to create a home that is constantly open to nature, taking advantage of Tepoztlán's mild tropical climate. However, the client felt uncomfortable with a fully open house, so the pivoting glass doors became the perfect solution. They allow the residents to adjust the degree of openness while maintaining a continuous visual connection with the outdoors. Architecturally, the pivoting doors are a bold and expressive feature, providing both functionality and a unique aesthetic appeal. Casa Meztitla also boasts an advanced stormwater management system. There are two main reservoirs that collect and store every drop of rainwater from the 3,800 square meter property. This system ensures a sufficient water supply throughout the year, despite the rainy season only lasting from July to October. As a result, the land around the house remains well irrigated, creating a lush environment year-round. With a total area of about 400 square meters, Casa Meztitla exemplifies how architecture can blend into a natural landscape rather than stand apart from it. Through the use of locally sourced, modest materials, an open design concept, and an efficient water management system, this house serves as an exceptional reference for homes in tropical and subtropical climates. We hope this home offers you inspiration and new design ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more exciting home tours from Block 7.